Welcome back to Lips Like Jelly Cosmetics. If you'd like to learn how to make these Lucky Bath Bombs, keep watching. First, we will start off with baking soda. Next, we're going to add in our citric acid. Followed by our cornstarch. Fragrance oil, polysorbate. This is going to make sure that the mica doesn't stick around the tub. Cocoa bee. This is a bubbling surfactant. And castor soap. It's not quite the right consistency. You're going to want to spray with either witch hazel or rubbing alcohol. Do not add more of the liquids in that you already added in. I know you'll be tempted to, but you will mess it up. Do not do it. I divided my mix so I could make the inside a different color. And I made mine green because today is St. Patrick's Day. I allowed them to dry for 24 hours. The next day, I painted them with a mixture of mica and rubbing alcohol. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And you can always visit lipslikegeli.com for products like this. Thank you.